The two-time Academy Award nominee, a beloved American actor, broke both his arms during the shooting, worked as a makeup artist, a trained martial artist. From humble beginnings in Modesto, California, Jeremy Renner has become a household name and one of the most respected actors in Hollywood. His nuanced performances in The Hurt Locker and The Town made him the toast of the town and earned him 2 Oscar nominations. This praise eventually landed him a lucrative role in the MCU. But there's always a dark side to someone who plays such intense characters so well. Jeremy Lee Renner, born January 7, 1971, is an American actor. He began his career by appearing in independent films such as Dahmer, 2002, and Neo Ned, 2005, then supporting roles in bigger films such as S.W.A.T, 2003, and 28 Weeks Later, 2007. Renner was nominated for the Academy Award for Best Actor for his performance in The Hurt Locker, 2008, and for the Academy Award for Best Supporting Actor for his performance in The Town, 2010. Renner played Clint Barton, Hawkeye, a member of the Avengers in several Marvel Cinematic Universe films and television series, beginning in 2011 film Thor, leading to the central title role in the Disney Plus series Hawkeye, 2021. He also appeared in Mission Impossible, Ghost Protocol, 2011, The Bourne Legacy, 2012, Hansel and Gretel, Witch Hunters, 2013, American Hustle, 2013, Mission Impossible, Rogue Nation, 2015, and Arrival, 2016. Renner was born in Modesto, California, to mother Valerie Cearley, née Tague, and father Lee Renner, who managed McHenry Bowl, a Modesto bowling alley, in the 1980s. His parents married as teenagers and divorced when he was 10. He is the oldest of 7 siblings, the youngest of whom was born in 2011, which made him a new big brother at 40 years old. His mother has Irish ancestry. Renner is also of German descent. Renner graduated from Fred C. Bayer High School in Modesto in 1989. He attended Modesto Junior College, where he studied computer science and criminology, before he took a drama class as an elective and decided to pursue acting. Renner married Canadian model Sonni Pacheco on January 13, 2014. Renner and Pacheco have a daughter. On December 30, 2014, Pacheco filed for divorce from Renner, citing irreconcilable differences. They share custody of their daughter. Pacheco and their daughter made cameo appearances in the film American Hustle, in which Renner played Carmine Polito, the mayor of Camden, New Jersey. Renner lives in Washoe County, Nevada. He has a house renovating business with his best friend and fellow actor, Christopher Winters. He has studied Arnis and Muay Thai martial arts as preparation for his roles in the Mission Impossible and Avengers franchises. Renner is a fan of the San Francisco 49ers. He narrated the NFL Network documentary series The Timeline episode A Tale of Two Cities, which chronicles the history of the team's rivalry with the Dallas Cowboys, and the introductory video for the grand opening of Levi's Stadium. On January 1, 2023, Renner was hospitalized after an accident while plowing snow at his residence in a rural area near his Lake Tahoe home, suffering blunt chest trauma as well as injuries to the musculoskeletal system after getting hit and run over by his snowplow. He was flown by helicopter to a local hospital. A representative said he was in critical but stable condition. As of January 2, he had undergone surgery and remained in that condition. On January 3, Renner posted a selfie to his Instagram account thanking fans for their support and stating that he was still too hurt to type. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Visit our platform for more informative videos.